Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by on my YouTube channel, or you're just coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome. Welcome to the family. So all my old subscribers, you are also welcome. My old OGs, you're welcome. So in this video, I'm about styling my princess's hair because tomorrow is their group class picture day. Okay, so I sectioned her hair into 4 places. Oh, I already moisturized the hair. Okay, after washing, hair is freshly washed, so I have moisturized it with raw shea butter, and that's the white substance you're seeing, and castor oil. Okay, so I'm sectioning her hair. So I sectioned it in the four parts. Okay, 4-way. So I'm supposed to make 4 ponytails, but at the end I made 3 ponytails. Okay, if you watch to the end, you will see how beautiful this style came out. Okay, so I'm making the cornrow now. Okay, so I'm going to make the cornrow for the circumference. Okay, the front and the middle part, and I'll still make at the back ponytail. I'll still make at the sides. Okay, the cornrow. So, and each cornrow is going to carry like 3 braids. Okay, so please guys, sit back and watch to the end. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Please, if you have any suggestion of any video you want to see on my channel, leave it at the comment section. Okay, and if you have any question regarding anything you see on my YouTube channel, feel free to ask. Okay, and I'll get back to you when I'm less busy. Okay guys, let's get into telling you about my Instagram page. Okay, my Instagram page is full of beautiful hairstyles. Okay, it's full of beautiful hairstyles that will keep you glued there. Okay, if you need any hairstyle, you need any wig pattern, installation and all that, check out my Instagram page. It's chichi_gallery. It's chichi_gallery. And please guys, shop with us at online at www.odosastyle.com. okay, www.odosastyle.com. there you find cute purses, and beautiful bags, nice perfume for male and female, nice wristwatches for male and female. Okay, and any kind of accessory you'll be needing. Okay, it's a new website, but we are verified by Shopify. Okay, please shop with us. You are safe while shopping with us, and I guarantee you'll receive your order. Okay, so if you find this video helpful at the end, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your post notification bell to know when I upload any new videos, so you'll be the first to know. Okay, so sit back and watch. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.